welcome back to my channel Iktaindians. Today I am presenting to you most popular, very delicious, authentic traditional dessert instant Mawa Modak recipe, which I prepare without any mold. Modaks are made generally during the festival season of Ganesh Chaturthi and served as offerings to Lord Ganesha. Generally, Modak recipes are made with sweet stuffing, but my today's Mawa Modaks are made without any stuffing. My today's Ganesh Chaturthi special instant Mawa Modak is a very easy and simple and quick recipe. So let's start the recipe. Today I take 300 grams milk powder, 300 ml full fat room temperature milk, 250 grams sugar, 3 tablespoons cashew nuts and pistas powder which I grind in my grinder, and I take some pistas for garnishing. Cashew nuts and pistas are totally optional, but it enhances the taste of modak. Here I also take 10 to 15 strips of saffron which I already soaked in lukewarm milk for 30 minutes. Here I take a pan and add 1.5 tablespoon clarified butter, that is ghee. You can also use unsalted butter instead of clarified butter, that is ghee. Now I am adding 300 ml full fat liquid room temperature milk and mix it well. You can use any brand of full fat milk. After that I am adding 300 gram milk powder into the pan and give it a nice mix. Now I am going to stir it continuously to dissolve the milk powder completely. I do not put the pan on the gas during this process, because if we try to dissolve the milk powder using heat, it would form lumps. Now at this stage milk powder has been completely dissolved. So I put the pan on the gas and flame should be low. Now I am going to stir it continuously with a spatula, otherwise it may burn. With constant stirring, slightly reduce the volume and scrape the accumulating malai from the all edges. The mixture has been started to thicken due to reduction in the volume of milk. At this stage I am adding 250 grams sugar into the mixture and give it a nice mix. Keep stirring the mixture and sugar has been completely dissolved. Now I am adding dry fruits powder into the mixture and mix all the things very well. After mix it properly, now I am going to add saffron which already I soaked in lukewarm water into the mixture and mix it nicely. It gives a nice color to the modak. I keep stirring the mixture and continue to reduce the volume of the mixture. Now I cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. The mixture has dried up properly and it becomes like a dough. Now I switch off the flame and take out the mixture from the pan. Let it be cool to room temperature. Now the mixture has been cooled enough, and let's start to make the modak at this stage. First I grease both palms of my hand with clarified butter, that is ghee, otherwise the mixture stick to the hands. Then I take out a small portion from the dough and place the portion in between two palms and roll it to make a small round ball. Then I, using my two fingers, lift the small portion of round ball to give it a modak shape, just like this. Since I am not using the mold here, so I make the design of modak with the help of a fork. Draw vertical lines on it, just like this. You can also use a toothpick instead of a fork to make the design of modak, just like this. Now I make all the modaks by using the whole dough, following the same process, just like this, and prepare lovely modaks. Now all the lovely modaks are ready to serve. I serve it in a serving plate and garnish all the modaks with chopped pistas. You garnish modaks as you like. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like my today's instant delicious Mawa Modak recipe. You must prepare my today's instant Mawa Modak recipe at your home on this Ganesh Chaturthi occasion, which I make in very easy and simple way and very quickly to make your this festival even more colorful and happier. I need your support, so please like and share my recipes, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon in my next video with some new recipe. Till then, be safe, be healthy and enjoy cooking. Bye bye.